Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to move leads to the right sales rep in Pipedrive. This will help you assign leads correctly so the right person can follow up quickly and nothing gets missed. Let's get started. First, open Pipedrive and go to the left-hand sidebar. Click on Leads. This is where all your incoming prospects are stored before they become deals. Next, find the lead you want to reassign. Click on the lead to open its details page. Make sure you're working with the correct lead before making any changes. Now, look for the Owner field. Hover over it and you'll see a small pencil icon. Click on the pencil icon to edit. Start typing the name of the sales rep you want to assign the lead to. Pipedrive will show suggestions from your team. Select the correct person from the list, then click Save to confirm the change. That's it. The lead is now assigned to the right sales rep. You'll see the new owner updated immediately. Just make sure the person you assign is part of your Pipedrive account and has access. Also, double-check the lead details so the new owner has everything they need to take action. Now you can easily manage and assign leads in Pipedrive. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next video.